Machitech, we're a cutting solution provider. We try to develop solutions for our customer to help them, to optimize their factory, their process of production. The Machitech experience, it's a term that we did start to use, and it's to exceed, the customer expectation.
Since the beginning of the process with the customer, we work with the sales team to make sure that the customer will get a machine that will suit to his needs. Then instead of selling a regular catalog product, we prefer to customize the product to the customer needs.
It's not just a customer, it becomes a partner because we're developing a solution, for them. And they're part of it because, they know what they want. So that's what we're making different, and that's what our customer or partner really appreciate from us. SOLIDWORKS, for us was a big game changer to help us to realize this Machitech experience, because every table we're doing, it's a custom table because we want to do the right solution for our customer.
When you build a machinery, you absolutely need a 3D software to really assemble your machine in 3D and see all the interference, do motion analysis, stress analysis. We can quickly test different concepts and see if it works, if it's possible, if it's better. Then we absolutely need to use SOLIDWORKS in our process.
What really helps me in my day-to-day job using SOLIDWORKS is that I have access to full information on the system we produce. I have full access to all components. I can right away send an email with a file. Like for example, we have sometimes customers that needs to fix something on their machine. We can send a file right away with all the detailed information, fab information, drawings so that they can cut it themselves. With SOLIDWORKS, we can pretty much provide that service that we offer.
SOLIDWORKS had also a little bit the same mentality as Machitech, to deliver, a software to help us. Also, it comes with the service, because the service is a big part of it. The support, the training, and the service. And they help us to develop some parametric tools. That, as an example, we had some job was taking 3 weeks of engineering, and we were able to bring it down to 3 days.
With SOLIDWORKS, we can easily make a layout for the customer in 5 minutes. We can play with some dimension and give to the customer a good idea of the machine that he will get. Then we don't have to wait weeks to give him a layout to see if the machine fit in his shop. It's very quick, and customer appreciate that.
SOLIDWORKS, is going to help us, in the future. Definitely, because it's a powerful software that allow us to go to another level of development, of innovation, with all the feature integrated in the software that allow our team to push the limit of the engineering.